Hello everyone, welcome to How to Solver. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to enable or disable compact view in File Explorer on laptop. Before starting the video, please subscribe to How to Solver. So let's go. For this, you have to open your File Explorer. Here you can see 3 dots. You just have to click on this. Now you can see here options. Click on it. Go to view. Now here you can see decrease space between items. Compact view. You just have to turn on this button. If you turn on this button, you can enable your compact view. And if you turn off this button, you can disable your compact view. Then you have to click on apply and OK. That's it. So this is how you can enable or disable compact view in File Explorer on your laptop. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.